Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two things. Number one, as lot of our YouTube family members had asked me to draw and post a step-by-step tutorial of how to draw a face. The second thing is giveaways. Watch this fully so you will not miss out the giveaway. First, draw a circle. Here I'm going to show you how to draw a face using Scratch. This will be so simple to follow. Hope you guys will enjoy this video. Watch this fully friends. Then draw a vertical line from top to bottom. Then add the jaw lines and join up with the chin. Divide the whole figure into two parts and the two parts into four parts. Then draw the ears in between the nose line and eye line. Then divide the eye line into 5 equal parts. The space between two eyes will be as the same as the length of an eye. I'm going to draw a skinny, cool guy, so I'm going to draw his eyes calm and leave less space between his eyes and eyebrows. Eyes are the main feature of face which could express an emotion. So practice well before trying out portraits. I'm going to keep less distance between the eyes and eyebrows because eyebrows express how attentive you are. Then draw two perpendicular lines from eyes to nose line. If you are struggling at drawing a nose, please watch my tutorial of how to draw a nose, so it would be helpful for you. Draw a straight line from iris to the nose line. I'm going to give him a stylish hairstyle. Then I'm going to add some details so you could see it clearly. Then a secret. There are two conditions to win a giveaway. First thing is to subscribe and then comment. The other conditions will be said on at last. I think we have done. Then don't skip the video because I'm going to give some tips to you and the procedure which I'm going to use to select the giveaway winner. Now an interesting part. Giveaways. As we had passed 300 subscribers yesterday, I'm going to give second giveaway in this channel. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. For this giveaway, I am going to use this comment picker website which would select a random winner from the comment section. We want to paste a particular video's link below. Then we could generate random winners. So you could be a winner. If you want to be a winner, leave a comment as entry done and be active in your Gmail. Because I will ask for a picture in Gmail only. So that's it. All the best, friends. Thanks for watching.